Alright, I'm about to put some M5 Rivnuts here, so I can mount the license plate. I got a JDM license plate right here that I'm mounting. I was using these, but they weren't very secure. Like, it looked like it was falling off, so I'm just gonna Rivnut it so I can put a bolt through. Anyways, kind of want to show you guys how these Rivnuts work, because there's not really a good instructions or any videos online to kind of walk you through how to set these things up. So let me kind of show you guys how to do that. Okay, so let me show you guys. Basically, you can see right here, depending on the bolt that you have, there's two pieces that comes in each one of these little containers. It's going to be this piece and then this piece that you unscrew. There's a thing right here that you push back to unscrew it. Yeah, so you have this piece. This piece screws into the gun, and then this is where the Rivnut screw into. Then this cap goes over it, and this cap is kind of what pushes the Rivnut and then make it flush. So I'm switching to my M5. Alright, M5's got this piece and the cap. So let's label M5. Let me walk you guys through how to put this in. Essentially, you're gonna screw this in tight, and when you're screwing this in, this part is close. Now you open it all the way and then screw in this cap. Okay, so that's a very important thing. If you don't open it all the way and screw in the cap, it's not going to work. Okay, once this cap's on, you're basically just going to screw this in, and then you put it into the hole, press the trigger, you'll crush it, and you should be good to go. Alright, so here's the gun. Place the Rivnut in the hole. Slowly squeeze it. And squeeze the gun a little bit. That's the first Rivnut. As you can see, that's what it looks like. And that's what it looks like from the back. How it makes a real nice crush right there. And now I gotta do the other side.